Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS.
Guys, today we're diving into a fascinating topic. What is remote sensing? If you've ever wondered how we gather data about the Earth without setting foot on the ground, this is for you. Remote sensing is a cornerstone of modern technology, transforming how we see and understand our planet. So, what exactly is remote sensing? At its core, remote sensing is the process of collecting information about the Earth's surface from a distance, without physical contact. This is achieved using sensors mounted on satellites, aircraft, drones, or even ground-based systems. These sensors detect electromagnetic energy like visible light, infrared, or radar waves, reflected or emitted by objects on the surface. For example, satellite imagery we often see in weather forecasts or Google Earth is a result of remote sensing. Sensors capture vast amounts of data which are then processed into maps, images, or datasets we can analyze. Now, how does this relate to GIS? Remote sensing provides the raw data, and GIS is the tool we use to analyze and visualize that data. Imagine satellites capturing images of a forest. With GIS, we can identify deforestation patterns, monitor vegetation health, or even predict wildfire risks. This connection between remote sensing and GIS is powerful. It enables us to solve problems across various fields, whether it's urban planning, disaster management, agriculture, or environmental conservation. For instance, farmers can use remote sensing to monitor crop health and optimize irrigation. Urban planners can assess land use changes over time. Remote sensing affects our lives more than we realize. It informs the weather apps we check daily, the maps we use to navigate, and the systems that warn us of natural disasters. For anyone interested in geography, technology, or sustainable development, understanding remote sensing opens the door to countless opportunities. Now it's your turn. What's your experience with remote sensing? Have you used it in any projects, or is there a specific area you'd like to explore further? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Native GIS for more insights into GIS and geospatial technology.